Let's go. What's up, everybody? Kevin Flynn here at the top of Flagstaff Mountain here in Boulder, Colorado. I'm gonna lead you through a couple rounds of my favorite style of breath. It's called 4-7-8 breathing. Guaranteed to help bring you a little bit more presence for the moment, a little more calm for the mind and ease in the heart. Looking forward to leading you through it. Stay tuned.
Hey y'all, Kevin Flynn here. Would love to lead you through a couple rounds of breath. This is a really good style of breathing to help calm the nerves and ease the nervous system, which is great because I just got the drone stuck in a tree about 30 feet up trying to get a shot of this. Climbed the tree, got the drone successfully down. Big shout out to DJI for making indestructible drones because it dropped down from the tree and hit the ground.
The drone works great.
And it still flies. Anywho, let's calm the nerves with a few cycles of breath. Begin by closing your eyes if you're comfortable doing so and allowing your spine to become more erect. And we'll just start off with a cleansing breath. Breathe in through your nose. Out of your mouth, exhale. Again, in through your nose. Out of your mouth. One more time, all the way in. All the way out. We'll breathe in for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in for 4. Hold for 7. Breathe out for 8. In for 4. Hold for 7. Breathe out for 8. One more time. In for 4. Hold for 7. Out for 8. Just allow yourself to become more present with whatever it is that you're experiencing, maybe through the senses or through your emotions. My intention with sharing these moments of breathing is to just allow us all to become a bit more present with what our daily life has to offer us. I hope that you have a beautiful and present rest of your day. Hopefully see you soon. Cheers.